Hi, welcome back. Thought I'd have something a little bit different today, as it's the month of December, and a few months ago I did a couple of Christmas vacation sets, which was the house and Cousin Eddie's RV. And ever since then, I was on the lookout for sort of like the best model family truckster I could find. I know it's not in the Christmas movie; it's more from the vacation and European vacation films. But it's iconic to the actual show, and as the traction of those is getting quite good because it's the Christmas period, I thought it'd be a good time to get this set built. I'm over in the UK, and this model is not available over here. It's made by Brickloot, which was like a subscription service that they did, and I managed to find this on Amazon of all places. Not a UK Amazon, I had to get it from an international site. But yeah, they did ship to the UK, which I was happy about, and it was still quite a reasonable price. So yeah, let's see what we've got in here. Not too many bricks. It says 321 parts. There's more bricks. There we go, so that's everything. Pretty much the same picture on both sides. And a few stickers, and yeah, instructions look a good quality size to be able to see. So yeah, let's get this built. guys. All finished. I've applied the stickers off camera because they were a bit of a fiddle, but yeah, they went on all okay. I really like it. Bit of an unusual build. You don't usually get this sort of scale of car. It is like I'd say very similar to a Speed Champion scale. You can fit minifigs inside it, which is the idea there. It is 8 stud wide, so there's no reason why you can't class this as the scale of Speed Champions. So yeah, quite unusual in the sense that you build from the wheels upwards and sort of build from there. So to start off with, the chassis was flexing quite a lot, but it soon gets its strength. And I'm really impressed. A great amount of detail in this. So obviously the stickers of the wood obviously help it, but yeah, they've got the lights quite well there. I like the way the wheels aren't just a standard sort of Lego wheel. They've actually got wheel trims attached to them, and the way they go on is quite unique. The roof actually flips up, so you can actually fit the minifigs inside, or anything else if you wanted to make some presents or something like that. If you wanted to make it a bit more Christmassy, obviously this car doesn't feature actually in the Christmas movie. Which is a shame, but yeah, I love the detailing of the presents and gifts on things like that on the top. Not sure of these rear windows, but I'm sure they've struggled to find an element that works with that. But yeah, great deal of detailing with the lights, the sideways bricks just there, wood plank on the back. The bumpers, it just works really well. They've done it really neatly. The colours obviously really help. Lego don't normally do this sort of shade of green, which is I'm sure why you don't see so much of this kind of set built out of Lego. But certainly manufacturers that do sort of military sets, you know, it's like a military style green, so that's why this is obviously not a genuine Lego piece. But yeah, it's a shame. I've looked at Brickloot and they don't actually deliver to the UK, so it seems a really good sort of setup. I'm not sure whether all their sets are as impressive as this, but yeah, certainly something I shall look into. And for size of scale, I've brought out Cousin Eddie's RV. Lights are on. And you can see the scaling just works really well. Obviously, if I won't get the house out now, but the house is much smaller scale than this. But yeah, I think the two vehicles look really good together. What's everyone's thoughts? Has everyone else built this set? Has anyone else got an alternate build that they've done of this? Would be great to see a larger scale model. I think you can get a bit more detail into that. You know, things like the doors that don't open on this, the tailgate doesn't open. So you know, perhaps having a tailgate that drops down, a bonnet or hood, it's an American vehicle that lifts up. Yeah, and some more sort of. That's got Honk from the Vacation movie where they were abroad. But yeah, really impressive. I will keep my eyes open and see if there are any other builds of this that do become available, but this is the best I've found so far. I have looked at others and they just did not look enough like the vehicle to warrant me sort of purchasing them. But yeah, really happy with that one. I'm sure you will be too. Thanks ever so much for watching, and yeah, I shall see you again soon on the next video. Thank you.